In this module, you will have a chance to learn the influential musical styles in the world, namely Afro-Latin American and popular music, and discover how they are related. You will find different activities where you can learn and show your understanding on the historical and cultural background of these musical styles. You shall also have a unique experience on how Afro-Latin American and popular music developed. Every country has its own musical styles and traditions, as we all know. There are a few musical styles that arose from a variety of genres as a result of cross-cultural interaction in the case of Latin American music, for example. You will have the opportunity to learn in this module. Afro-Latin American and popular music are two of the most influential musical forms in the world. And see how they are connected. There are a variety of activities where you can learn and demonstrate your knowledge of the musical's historical and cultural context styles. You'll also get a first-hand look at how Afro-Latin American and popular culture interact. Music was created. Africans include music into various facets of their lives, ranging from religious rites to social gatherings, from social gatherings to life's milestones. There's something for everyone. Music has a significant impact on people's lives. There are numerous traditional healing procedures. People may be split in such situations. Age, gender, and social class are all factors to consider. However, not all African music is played in a group or for a specific audience. For fun and relaxation, people also play instruments or sing to themselves. Stress. In African music, words play a vital part. In many African societies, music is closely linked to the oral tradition of spoken or recited literature. Storytelling frequently includes songs, and some forms of music mimic the spoken word. Talking drum music uses drum beats with different tones to echo the sounds of language. Many musical forms are based on the singing and storytelling, and musicians sometimes use their instruments as voices that speak a language. African music is rarely just for instruments. Musicians and listeners alike take great interest in the lyrics. Singing styles range from solo performances to large group participation. When singing in a group, individuals may sing the same words together. However, in a style known as polyphonic, each person voices a different phrase or syllable to create a variety of vocal patterns and combinations. In Africa, music is generally considered inseparable from words, dance, and the occasion for which it is performed. It is not linked to specific notes and rhythms within measured units of time. Instead, African musicians play music based on their own individual sense of rhythm or on rhythmic phrases they have learned. Although a drum or rattle can hold a constant beat, other players may not be able to use it as a rhythm instrument. They use this as a foundation for the beats they play and how they highlight notes in the music. Regardless of their differences, traditional African musical styles share certain fundamental characteristics despite their variety. The focus is on more emphasis was placed on rhythms than on melody and harmony. Repetition is used as a teaching tool. Improvisation is built on top of an organizing idea. Instruments of music are also made of natural materials. Vocal forms of African music. Maracatu combines the strong rhythms of African percussion with Portuguese melodies. Blues creates an expressive and soulful sound. Soul combined Afro-American gospel, rhythm and blues and often jazz. Call and response, a succession of two distinct musical phrases rendered by different musicians, much like a question and answer sequence in human communication. Vocal and dance forms of Latin American music. Cumbia, courtship dance with European and African instrumentation and characteristics. Tango, somewhat means African dance or from the Spanish word, tainer means to play. Cha-cha, ballroom dance from Cuba in the 1950s. Rumba, recreational dance of Afro-Cuban origin. Bossa Nova, slower and gentler version of Cuban samba. Reggae, urban popular music and dance style originated in Jamaica. Foxtrot, 20th century social dance from USA. Paso doble, meaning double step, is a theatrical Spanish dance in Spaniard bullfights. Jazz music. Ragtime, American popular style for piano, originated in the Afro-American communities of St. Louis and New Orleans. Big band refers to a large ensemble of form originating in the United States. Bebop, or bop musical style of modern jazz, emerged during World War II. Jazz rock, 1960 and 1970 bands inserted jazz elements in rock music. Popular music. Folk music, melodies from common people. Country and western music, found in southern US. Ballads, expressive folk song in narrative verse. Standards, most popular and enduring songs from a particular genre or style. Rock and roll, hugely popular song from the US during the late 1940 to 1960. Disco, pertain to rock music which is danceable, thus leading to discos. Pop music, parallel with the disco era. Hip-hop and rap, stylized, highly rhythmic, includes portions chanted or rap. Alternative music, an underground independent form of music in 1980.